Alright, Chapter 4, Section 2, Home Loans, Example 12. $105,000 home loan is obtained for 25 years. That's 5.7% interest converted monthly. Converted is just another word for compounded. What amount is owed on the loan after 10 years? And assuming there was a $25,000 down payment, what is the owner's equity at this time? Okay, so looking at this, we're not told the regular payment, so we have to figure that out first. And then again, we're going to round that up to the nearest penny. So start up, 105,123. That's our loan amount. One payment later, we make a regular payment. And this is for 25 years. So first thing we do before we can calculate how much is still owed or any kind of equity is we have to figure out what in the world that monthly payment is. So we're going to, we have our R is 0.057, and again that's monthly. So then that makes I 0.057 over 12. And then we need to do our $105,000 is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus 0.057 over 12 over 0.057 over 12, but we have to figure out what our exponent is here. So our exponent is going to be 25 times 12, because we have 25 full years, 12 payments for those full years. When you do that on your calculator, you get 300. So our 300 right here, okay? When you work that out, and we're going to skip that step this time for R, you get R equals $657.39 and some change. So we're going to round up because it's payment. So that means our R is $657.40. That's what we're going to consider as our payment. And then now we need to figure out how much we owe in 10 years. Okay, in 10 years. So if we do 10 years in, okay, we're going to assume 10 full years. So that means N is going to be 12 payments a month times 10 years, so 120. So then we're going to figure out how much that we still owe, or that amount owed is going to be, again, the leftover formula. So that's going to be 105,000, 1 plus our I, 0.057 over 12 to the 120, and then we're going to subtract our regular payment, 657.40 times 1 plus 0.057 over 12 to the 120 minus 1 all over 0.057 over 12. So again, that's your S sub n formula. This is S sub n. Right here we did A sub n because we're finding the regular payment. Here we're doing a partial of the way in. So when we plug that in our calculator, this one's for my numerator, this one's for my 1 plus. So we get how that we still owe, sorry, $70,419.53, rounding up to the nearest penny, because here and here we have 2 and a 7, so we're going to round up. Okay, now our equity is going to be list minus owed, so that means we need the list price. So to get our list price, remember that's the loan plus the down payment. Okay, our loan was $105,000, our down payment was $25,000, so that means the list price of this house was $130,000. Okay, so then our equity, which again is going to be your list price minus what you still owe. So it's going to be $130,000 minus $79,419.53. So our equity is $50,580.47. Okay, and then the percent that we own is going to be your equity divided by the list price. So 50,580.47 over that 130,000. So here you're going to get a decimal. So we can just take that answer and divide it by that 30,000. So you get 38.9%, because we're going to write that as a percent. So we get 0.389. So we're going to say 38.9%. That's how much that we would owe, or how much we own right now.